unseen but always watching. Air and Marine Operations Unmanned Aircraft System, or UAS, is a critical tool in securing America's borders and beyond. Capable of covering vast distances, the UAS conducts long-range surveillance, intelligence gathering, and real-time data without risking lives in the field. Its presence extends far beyond where human eyes can reach, ensuring we maintain the advantage in detecting and disrupting illegal activities. Air and Marine Operations UAS program has reached an unprecedented milestone, surpassing 11,000 flight hours in a single year. Despite operating just 8 aircraft, the MQ-9 Predator B has become a powerful asset for Homeland Security, proving its worth with mission productivity. With a remarkable endurance of over 21 hours, a suite of advanced sensors, and sophisticated command and control capabilities, the MQ-9 UAS is built for persistent surveillance over land and sea. Air and Marine Operations has ensured this high-tech fleet continues to deliver critical, real-time intelligence to counter illicit activities at our borders. These capabilities have led to a record-breaking year. In fiscal year 2023, the MQ-9 fleet's vigilance contributed to over 104,000 detections, more than 14,000 apprehensions, and the seizure of nearly 38,000 pounds of illicit drugs, enabling AMO to enhance security and deter criminal networks. Air and Marine Operations was the first federal entity to introduce large-scale MQ-9 operations into the national airspace system for both Homeland Security and disaster recovery. Since 2005, the MQ-9's flight hours have increased, now approaching 12,000 each year. A significant enhancement, the Big Wing modification, has taken our capabilities to the next level. Through collaboration with DHS Science and Technology, 2 MQ-9s received the Big Wing upgrade, increasing the wingspan from 66 to 79 feet. With more fuel capacity, a 4-bladed propeller, and new de-icing technology, the Big Wing MQ-9's mission time is extended by over 10 hours, reaching up to 30+ hours in the air. This enhancement provides expanded coverage, greater endurance, and increased weather capability. Air and Marine Operations MQ-9s operate from 3 National Air Security Operations Centers: Grand Forks, North Dakota, Sierra Vista, Arizona, and San Angelo, Texas. From these locations, MQ-9s deploy on critical missions to conduct extended border and international operations in coordination with U.S. and foreign partners. Through these extended operations, Air and Marine Operations detects, identifies, tracks, and intercepts targets in collaboration with U.S. and foreign law enforcement. The MQ-9 missions in the Caribbean Sea and Eastern Pacific transit zones are essential in disrupting transnational criminal organizations, fortifying partnerships, and safeguarding our nation's interests beyond our borders. As a premier force multiplier, Air and Marine Operations MQ-9 fleet provides unmatched endurance, precision, and real-time intelligence. With every flight hour, AMO is committed to protecting our nation, enhancing border security, and building a safer, more resilient future. The skies are vast, but with the UAS, so is our reach. Air and Marine Operations, safeguarding the nation from the air and sea.